What if I told you there is an element that can outshine the sun? An element that is strong enough to build spacecrafts, but also reactive enough that you'll almost never find it alone in nature. This is magnesium, the 12th element in the periodic table. With a density of 1.74, it is the lightest metal that you can safely hold in your hand. But give it a spark. It erupts into one of the brightest flames in the chemistry lab. The reaction is so exothermic that it reaches over 3000 degrees Celsius, making it one of the most iconic chemical demonstrations in the classroom. If your teacher did not show you this demonstration in your science or chemistry class, they might have committed a crime against science. But what is the white, crumbly ash that is left behind? This is magnesium oxide. If we give it a drink and add some water, it became magnesium hydroxide. One drop of phenolphthalein turns the solution to pink, proving the formation of a base. Magnesium metal is quite reactive compared to its peers. Here we add magnesium, zinc and nickel into 10% hydrochloric acid. Magnesium, violent. Even the test tube gets very hot. Zinc, steady reaction. Nickel, it hasn't gotten out of bed yet. This is the reactivity series in action. Magnesium is so high on the list that it almost beats every other common metal in daily life. In fact, magnesium is so reactive that it can react with water itself. Its reaction with water is not very fast at room temperature, but with the help of phenolphthalein, we can clearly see the formation of magnesium hydroxide. If we heat up the water, you can clearly see the generation of lots of hydrogen bubbles on the surface of magnesium. It's so reactive that it can strip hydrogen straight out of water molecules. Due to its reactivity, it can even kick other metals out of their homes. By adding magnesium to iron 3 chloride, it reduces the ions into pure, metallic iron powder. To prove the formation of iron, let's bring a magnet next to the test tube. The result, a magnetic sand that dances with the magnet. If you add sufficient magnesium, eventually it will replace all the iron in the liquid. With extreme fine iron powder remaining, you can create dancing arts with a magnet. From a metal that outshines the sun, to an element that creates color from nothing, magnesium doesn't just react, it performs. Thank you for watching.